AI is no longer coming. It's already here. From writing emails to analyzing data, artificial intelligence is quietly and quickly replacing office jobs. But what does that mean for you? In this video, we'll look at the office roles AI is automating, the most powerful tools leading the charge, and what you can do to stay ahead of the curve. Let's jump in. AI is transforming traditional office work. Many tasks that used to take hours can now be done in seconds. Here are some jobs already being affected. Data entry clerks, administrative assistants, call center
operators,
junior copywriters, payroll clerks, basic graphic designers, entry-level programmers. And it's not just about losing jobs. Many roles are being reshaped. Employees now need to work with AI, not compete against it. Here are the top AI tools currently automating office work. ChatGPT, Gemini AI writing emails, reports, summaries, drafting presentations and proposals, Notion AI note-taking, auto-summarizing meetings, turning tasks into project boards, Fireflies.ai, Otter.ai record, transcribe, and summarize meetings, Microsoft Copilot, Google Duet, AI, automates Word, Excel, PowerPoint, suggests data visualizations and formulas, Canva, plus Magic Design, Midjourney creates social posts, banners, even logos with AI, Tidio drift. Intercom AI bots, customer support and lead generation. These tools are smarter, faster, and don't need a coffee break. That's why companies are investing heavily in them. Okay, so AI is changing everything, but it's not all doom and gloom. If you want to stay relevant, here's what you need to do right now. 1. Learn to use AI tools. Instead of fearing AI, use it. Learn ChatGPT prompts. Automate your workflow with Notion. Use Copilot in Excel. Upskill yourself. Focus on what AI can't do well, like strategy, emotional intelligence, storytelling, leadership, critical thinking. 3. Create AI-enhanced projects. Use AI in your portfolio. Show employers you're ahead of the curve, not behind it. 4. Follow the trends, subscribe to channels, read AI newsletters, and stay informed. The world is changing fast, and the people who learn how to work with AI will be the ones who thrive in the future. Don't wait until your job is on the line. Start exploring, start learning, and stay prepared. Hit that like button. Share this with a friend who's working in an office. Subscribe if you want weekly AI tips, tools, and tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Powered by AI, of course.